Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos and I'm here with the daily giveaway. It is a double giveaway because I missed yesterday. So we've got yesterday's winner to give away a prize and today's daily giveaway. Now, if you've seen my video that I posted earlier, I've shown how to do One Sheet Wonder Project Life cards, memory keeping cards. And these are the prizes. I have 2 sets to give away. Now, there are 20 Project Life cards that I have made. Now, I haven't decorated them. I have left them totally for you to decorate. So there are 20 of those Project Life cards and a bookmark. So you both receive 1 set of each. Now, I'll just quickly show you. This is just some of the ideas to decorate these cards. That's just a sticker. That's a little bit of note paper on it. That's a Project Life card. Let's have a look. I did decorate one in the video. Just put some washi tape and then sticker on the back. That's got a sticker. These are just so this is just a way excuse me, of, you know, the bigger ones. I've done the same, just put note card on the back. So that's an idea for you to decorate these cards just with stickers and note paper. So this is what I have to give away. So let me get on and excuse me, pick some winners out. Right, okay, I'm going to move these to one side. Give it a big mix round. It's getting full up. Okay, so we're going to mix them, swirl them around, and I'm going to go in and ready, just pick one, and then I'm going to pick number 2. So, okay, today's winner, or to say yesterday's winner, is number 42, and today's winner is number 184. So we've got 42 and 184, and you will, this is why I've done the same prize, to make it fair. So you've both got exactly the same prize. So well done, winners. Keep commenting. You must be a subscriber. These are daily giveaways, and I have a really good one tomorrow. So keep commenting, keep watching, and thank you for spending time with me. I'll see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.